Before I get started, I would like to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, Adam Gwynn. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. If not, I apologize. Adam sent me an email and gave me some advice about how to adjust the water levels on your front loader washer, LG washers. And I really appreciate it, man. So maybe I'll see you around in Houston and we'll go for lunch. Okay, before we get started, make sure you understand this may void your warranty. Mine's is 16 years old, so I don't mind. And who would know anyway? But just for your information, this may void your warranty. It's really simple to do and it really works. I didn't know if it worked or not, so I tried it. This is a level right here from the factory at a normal wash, and that's all the water you get. And in Houston, we pay for the first 10,000 gallons if we use it or not. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make this adjustment. First, what you want to do is take the two screws out, the one at the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and take these screws out. So get you a Phillips head screwdriver and you take this screw out right here, right there at the bottom. That's all you need to do is take the bottom screws out. You don't have to worry about the ones on the top. And I'm gonna show you why here in a minute. And take the other one off. And I'm gonna tell you, I've already tried this and the water level makes a big difference on how your clothes get clean. I mean, it cleans it a whole lot better. And once you take those screws out, and before you do anything else, make sure you unplug your power. That's the first thing you should do. So before you take that top off, unplug the power. So you just push this thing back with two hands and it slides. And as you can see, this little notch right here, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna point at it. It's 4 notches and they slide under these little knobs and it just slides back. That's it, and it comes right off. Okay, the next thing you want to do is find your water adjuster. So to get more water, you turn it clockwise. But first, you want to get this Loctite. There's some red Loctite on there. And you want to just take a knife or a screwdriver or some kind of sharp object. I'm going to pull some of it out and just show you what it looked like. Just a little red Loctite type to keep that thing in place. Once you go around it, and I'm speeding this up, and get as much as that Loctite off as you can, you want to take a flathead screwdriver. And that adjustment is plastic, so it will break. So get a flathead screwdriver that fits right into the notch. And now what you want to do is turn it clockwise. So we're going to turn. So that's one full turn. That's 2 full turns and a little bit. So approximately 2 full turns will get you to your maximum adjustment. You'll feel it because you don't want to over tighten it. You can feel it when it starts tightening up. And don't try to use a Phillips head screwdriver. It'll mess up that fitting there. So now we're gonna plug it back in and we're gonna run the max level. I'm gonna just show you how much water. So I'm gonna run it just like I ran the. As you can see, it's on normal. I'm gonna hit the cycle and I'm gonna let it fill up. When it starts washing, I'm gonna stop it. So this is the level. So that's normal. So if I open the door, the water will go waste out on the floor. So as you can see how that level rolls up. And I don't want that much. So I'm gonna adjust mine back half that. So I'm gonna make another adjustment. I'm gonna turn it back. As you can see, I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna make a full turn counterclockwise because I don't need that much water. If I need more water, I just turn the maximum load up. As you can see, I'm turning it. That's 1 full turn right there back. And we're gonna run it again. And we're gonna run a normal load like. And if I want more water, the only thing I have to do is just go heavy load. So we're gonna hit, that's the normal. And we're gonna run a cycle And when it stopped, I'm gonna show you the level. You see it? It didn't go all the way up. So I'm gonna open this door and just let you look at it. Now you see the level right there? That was perfect for me. So if I want more water, I just put it on heavy low. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day.